In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Chrome, check net worth milestone reward charts, calculate the cash you need for upgrades, and prioritize low-cost landmarks to progress faster. To get started, open Google Chrome on your device. Once the browser is open, head to a trusted source that shows net worth milestone reward charts for the game you're playing. The purpose of this chart is to give you a clear overview of what rewards are tied to different net worth levels, so you can understand how close you are to your next major milestone and whether it makes sense to push for a specific target. As you view the chart, take a moment to look at the reward pattern instead of just focusing on a single milestone. This helps you see whether the upcoming rewards are worth the investment required to reach them. In many cases, knowing what comes next can help you avoid spending blindly and can make your upgrade path much more efficient. Next, calculate the amount of cash you'll need for upgrades by using online player guides. These guides are helpful because they often break down the cost of upgrading landmarks or properties at different levels, which can save you a lot of guesswork. Open the guide, compare it with your current in-game progress, and estimate how much currency you'll need to reach the next meaningful upgrade point. If you want to stay organized, you can mentally note the total or keep a simple record off to the side while you plan. This step is especially useful because upgrade costs usually increase as you move forward. If you know the approximate amount in advance, you can decide whether to save your cash for a larger jump or spend strategically on smaller upgrades that help you move faster right now. Once you've checked the reward chart and estimated your upgrade cost, focus on upgrading the lowest cost landmarks first. This is a smart strategy because cheaper upgrades usually let you increase your net worth more quickly in the early stages. Instead of pouring all your resources into a single expensive landmark, spreading your spending across lower cost options can often push your progress bar forward faster and help you unlock milestones more efficiently. As you continue, keep repeating this process. Check the chart, review upgrade costs, and prioritize the most affordable landmarks available. That combination helps you stay efficient, avoid unnecessary spending, and make steady progress toward better rewards. With a little planning and the right upgrade order, you'll be able to advance much more quickly and make better use of your in-game cash.